troubleshooting steps for a Whirlpool hot tub that causes a 20 amp GFCI breaker to trip even when the tub is off. Firstly, check the wiring connections. Ensure that the line and neutral connections are secure and correct at the breaker panel. Verify that there are no loose or damaged connections anywhere in the circuit. Secondly, isolate the Whirlpool tub. Turn off the power to the circuit at the breaker panel. Disconnect the Whirlpool tub from the circuit by removing the wire connectors at the tub's junction box. Thirdly, test the breaker. With the Whirlpool tub disconnected, turn on the power to the circuit at the breaker panel. Press the test button on the GFCI breaker. The breaker should trip if it is functioning properly. Fourthly, inspect the Whirlpool tub. Check for any visible damage, leaks, or loose components inside the tub. Ensure that the heater element and other electrical components are properly connected and insulated. Fifthly, reassemble and test. Reconnect the Whirlpool tub to the circuit and turn on the power again at the breaker panel. If the breaker trips immediately, there may be a fault in the Whirlpool tub itself. Possible causes and solutions include a ground fault. A ground fault occurs when current leaks to the ground through a faulty component. Check the Whirlpool tub's wiring, heating element, and other electrical parts for any breaks or insulation damage. Repair or replace as needed. It is possible that the GFCI breaker is malfunctioning. Replace it with a new GFCI breaker of the same amperage and rating. Ensure that the Whirlpool tub is wired correctly. The line and neutral wires should be connected to the corresponding terminals on the breaker panel and the tub's junction box. Verify that the load neutral is left unconnected. If these troubleshooting steps do not resolve the issue, contact a qualified electrician for further diagnosis and repair.